I am a real estate broker based in Azabu-Juban, Minato City, Tokyo. For many years, I have helped overseas investors, expatriates, and international business owners purchase real estate throughout Japan. One of the questions I hear most often is, can foreigners buy property in Japan? The answer is simple: yes, they can. In fact, Japan is one of the most open real estate markets in the world when it comes to foreign ownership. Unlike many countries that restrict foreigners from purchasing land or require special residency status, Japan allows foreign individuals and companies to purchase and own real estate with very few restrictions. Foreigners can buy apartments, condominiums, houses, commercial buildings, hotels, office buildings, and even land. There is no requirement to have Japanese citizenship, permanent residency, or even a visa. This surprises many investors because countries around the world often place significant restrictions on foreign ownership. Japan takes a different approach and treats foreign buyers almost the same as Japanese citizens when it comes to property ownership rights. So why are more international investors becoming interested in Japanese real estate? The first reason is stability. Japan is one of the safest and most politically stable countries in the world. Property rights are protected by a highly developed legal system, and ownership registration is reliable and transparent. Investors know that their assets are protected under Japanese law. The second reason is transparency. Japan has a very professional real estate transaction system. Licensed real estate agents are required to explain important details before a contract is signed. Ownership records are publicly registered, making it easier to verify information and conduct due diligence. The third reason is strong demand. Tokyo remains one of the world's largest metropolitan areas, with a population exceeding 37 million people. The city continues to attract professionals, students, entrepreneurs, and international companies from around the world. Other major cities such as Osaka, Yokohama, Nagoya, and Fukuoka also enjoy strong rental demand. This creates opportunities for investors seeking long-term rental income. Another important factor is the exchange rate. In recent years, the Japanese yen has weakened against many major currencies, including the US dollar, Australian dollar, British pound, and Singapore dollar. As a result, many foreign investors see Japanese real estate as relatively affordable compared with other major global cities. Buyers can often acquire high-quality assets at prices that would be difficult to find in cities such as London, New York, Hong Kong, or Singapore. Now let's talk about the purchasing process. Buying property in Japan is generally straightforward. The first step is finding the right property. Some investors are focused on rental income, while others are looking for long-term appreciation, personal use, or business expansion opportunities. Once a property is selected, the buyer submits an offer. If both parties agree on the price and terms, the transaction moves forward to the contract stage. Before signing the contract, a licensed real estate professional explains important legal information about the property. This includes ownership details, zoning regulations, building information, and any restrictions that may affect the property. After reviewing the documents, the buyer signs the purchase agreement and pays a deposit, which is often around 10% of the purchase price. The final step is settlement and registration. The remaining balance is paid, ownership is transferred, and the property is officially registered in the buyer's name. At that point, the buyer becomes the legal owner of the property. Many investors also ask whether foreigners can obtain financing from Japanese banks. The answer is yes, but financing can be more challenging than the purchase itself. Japanese banks generally prefer borrowers who have residency status in Japan, stable domestic income, a long financial history, or an established business presence within the country. For overseas investors who do not reside in Japan, financing options may be limited. Therefore, many foreign buyers choose to purchase with cash, overseas financing, or through corporate investment structures. However, lending opportunities for international investors are gradually increasing as foreign interest in Japanese real estate continues to grow. Of course, investors should also understand the costs associated with purchasing property. These costs may include acquisition taxes, registration taxes, stamp duties, annual fixed asset taxes, city planning taxes, and brokerage fees. Understanding these expenses is essential when calculating the true return on investment. Looking ahead, the future of Japanese real estate remains promising. Tokyo continues to benefit from major redevelopment projects, advanced infrastructure, world-class transportation systems, and strong international business activity. At the same time, regional cities are seeing growth through tourism, urban revitalization projects, and increased demand for hospitality-related properties. As global investors search for stable, transparent, and secure markets, Japan is becoming an increasingly attractive destination for real estate investment. Whether your goal is generating rental income, purchasing a vacation home, expanding your business presence, or preserving long-term wealth, Japan offers a wide range of opportunities. Every investment is different, and success begins with understanding the market, local regulations, taxation, and financing options. As a real estate professional based in Tokyo, I regularly assist international clients who are exploring opportunities in Japan. In future videos and articles, I will continue sharing practical information about Japanese real estate, investment opportunities, visa programs, business expansion strategies, and market trends. Thank you very much for watching. If you are interested in buying property in Japan or would like to learn more about the Japanese real estate market, please feel free to contact me. I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you.